Hello, my name is Michael Rosario, banner ID 017150089, and I'm stating that I have not collaborated with any other live person for this assignment. Okay, today we are going to take the information that we have from Big Data Block and put it into StatCrunch, and we're going to compute graphs, find the information like central tendency, and analyze the data and what it means and what values we have. Okay, so the information is right here on Excel. So you see the columns. We have gender, degree, city, age, FTPT, overall GPA. Does the student use the writing center or final grade in writing? And so if we click this corner right here, we can highlight everything and then bring it into StatCrunch. So I have right here. But you can paste it here. You have all the values here. It's 3,002 rows, but that's a lot of information, but it's easy to compute when you have this app. So first we have but today we're only going to be using two variables, the gender and age. First of all, gender is a categorical variable because it's male or female. It's not measured in units, whereas the age is measured in units, which is age. So therefore we can compute and find the central tendency, the average, which is the mean, the median, which is the middle number when you arrange them from ascending to descending or descending to ascending, and the mode, which is the most common value. First of all, if we graph the age, I just deleted this so it doesn't become a factor in here, but so it doesn't, because that'll take away from the male and female values. So first of all, we have the variable one. We do graph and we do bar plot with data. You click variable one, you click compute, and it graphs it for you. See, we have here the female is way higher than the male. It says right here frequency. Here it shows how much there is. See, 1,851 versus 1,132, which adds up to the 3,002 rows, like I said. And then we do the same thing with the pie chart. We have the pie chart, hit data, hit variable one, compute, and put it side by side. You can still see that the female has a way bigger piece of the pie than the male, 62% versus 37. Okay, now we go to the age. It's right here. I just put it in a different tab because I blanked this out so it doesn't become a factor in here. So the age, we're going to have to find the quantitative graphs, the data. So we're going to find the stem and leaf plot, the box plot, and the dot plot. So first we'll do a stem and leaf. We do graph, hit a stem and leaf, variable 4, because that's the column 4 here, and you do compute. As you can see, it's a lot of data, so but the 3 goes on really long. As you can see, it keeps on going. It's the longest value. But let's do a different graph. Let's do the dot plot. Exit that. Dot plot. Right here, same thing. Number 4, compute. There you go. Yeah, right here. As you can see, it gets heavy in the middle right here. That's the big range of age right here. But the best graph I think for this is the box plot, which I'm going to show you right now. It's right here. As you can see, you can see the range right here of age from just below 20 to almost 70. And And also it shows you the 5-number summary right here, as we have the interquartile range 17.14, or if you round it 1.5, the max, which is 68, the quartile 3 50.1, the median 41.54, and quartile 1, which is 33.02, and the minimum age, which is 17. So I believe this was a good way to show the quantitative data. It maps out all the things you need to know pretty easily, and yeah, we can compare the data that we have here. This is the quantitative, this is the age right here, and then we go back to categorial. See, it's a little bit more simpler, but overall they're both easy to compute. They're easy. All you have to do, if you want to find out information, just click graph. You can do the chart with the summary, or you could just do stats and do summary stats, and you find your information for the columns row. You can find correlation, group bin data. For a lot of data, sometimes it says use bin data. And yeah, overall I think hopefully I showed you how to use StatCrunch well, and all the information and values that we need, they pop up, and I told you how to find it. And yeah, hopefully I had a successful video. Thank you.